Hello students, we are solving the IB Math AHL past paper questions and currently we are solving the IB Math AHL May 2023 paper 2 times on 1 past paper. Today we will be solving the question number 10 of this paper. You will be getting the links to all the previously solved questions of this paper and of the other papers in form of playlist in my channel in its online math tutoring classes. And it is a common question common to both the SL and the HL level students. For the SL students, it is question number 9 and for the HL students, it is question number 10. So without any further delay, let us start answering this question. The maximum mark is 15. It says an engineer is designing a gutter to catch rainwater from the roof of a house. The gutter will be open at the top and is made by folding a piece of sheet metal rather, 45 centimeters wide. This is the sheet metal, 45 centimeters wide and 600 centimeters long. And this is turned to the gutter of this shape. Okay. The cross section of the gutter is shaded in the following diagram over here. This is the diagram. Okay. And of course, the diagrams are not drawn to scale. The height of both vertical sides is 10 centimeters. The width of the gutter is W centimeters. Arc EB lies on the circumference of a circle whose center is O and the radius is 12 centimeters. Let angle EOB be equal to theta radians. This is the angle where theta is greater than 0 but is less than pi. Subpart E's question is show that theta equal to 2.08 correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. So, we know that this 45 centimeter has got transformed to this shape. This one. Okay. This is the same as this one. And we know that this is 10 centimeters and of course this will also be 10 centimeters. So out of 45 centimeters, we have 10 centimeters over here and 10 centimeters over here. So 20 centimeters have been taken up. The remaining is 25 centimeters. So the arc length of this arc EB will be equal to 25 centimeters. Okay. So let us start writing the subpart A's answer over here. So we can write length of arc AB is equal to 45 minus 10 equal to 25 centimeters. Okay. And we know that the formula which connects the length of the arc and the radius and the included angle is L equal to r theta, where theta is in radians. Okay. So the length L is 25. Therefore, 25 equal to r is 12 centimeters. 12 theta. This implies the theta value is equal to 25 over 12. And we will be using the calculator. So it is 25 divided by 12 equal to, okay, in decimals, 2.08 and a series of 3's. So up to 3 significant figures, it will be 2.08. Okay. So therefore, this is equal to 2.08 correct to 3 significant figures. Okay. This is shown. Okay. Coming to subpart B. Find the area of the cross section of the gutter. That means this shaded region, area of this shaded region. Okay. So, one thing that we can do is we can find the area of this sector AOB. That is very easy. We know the formula for the area of the sector. But we have to add to this area this portion, the area of this portion. And this is neither a rectangle nor a triangle nor a circle. So what can we do? We can divide this shaded region into two portions. I can take this rectangle. I can get the area of this rectangle, and to that I will be adding the area of this segment. Okay. So in order to get the area of this rectangle, we know the width is 10 centimeters, but what is the, or W is the width, right? Width of the gutter is W. Okay. So we do not know the value of W. We know the length of this side, it is 10 centimeters, but we do not know the width of the gutter, W. So first thing that we have to do is we have to get the value of W. So how to get the value of W? We have got the value of theta, and we know the radius, of course. This is 12, this is 12. So if I drop a perpendicular, because O is the center of the circle, therefore this is a chord, and I am dropping a perpendicular from the center of a circle to onto a chord. So this will be perpendicular, and we have dropped a perpendicular, so it will be bisecting the chord. Okay, so this may be named as the middle point, so I'm naming it as M. So AM is equal to BM, because the perpendicular dropped from the center of the circle to a chord bisects the chord. Therefore, the foot of the perpendicular will be the midpoint of the chord. Okay. So, not only does it bisect the chord, but it also bisects the central angle, the vertex angle. So, this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay. And we know the theta value as 25 over 12. I'm taking it as 25 over 12. If you want, you can take it as 2.08, but I'll be suggesting not to take values up to 3 significant figures for further calculation. In case you have to take a decimal value, take more number of digits. I am taking theta value as 25 over 12. Okay. And now I am interested in getting this half theta value. So because, let me start my subpart B's answer over here. Since theta is equal to 25 over 12, therefore theta over 2 will be equal to 25 over 24. Okay. I'm dividing both sides by 2. So we have got the value of this angle. In or angle BOM is equal to 25 over 24. Okay. Now, triangle BOM is a right angle triangle. Therefore, I need the length of MB, because I can double it and I'll be getting the length of AB, which will be equal to W. Okay. So, therefore, MB over OB should be equal to sine theta over 2 or sine 25 over 24. Okay. Because this is the opposite. This is not touching the angle. So this is the opposite side and this is the hypotenuse. This is the right angle. Therefore, MB is the opposite side, OB is the hypotenuse. So it will be sine theta, or rather theta over 2. And what is theta over 2? It is 25 over 24. Okay. So therefore, MB should be equal to OB sine 25 over 24, and OB is what? 12 centimeters. So 12 times sine 25 over 24. Therefore, AB is equal to 2MB equal to W is equal to, I'm multiplying this with 2. So it is 2 times 12 is 24. And sine 25 over 24. Now let us get the value of W. First of all, I can take 24 also first. I can write 24 and then sine 25 over 24. Okay. It is 20.7179 and all. So I'm taking 20.718 because I'll be needing this in future calculation. So I'm not taking up to 3 significant figures. If you want, you can take up to 20.7, but I am taking it as the W's value as 20.718. Okay. So it is actually approximately equal to 20.718 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, area of rectangle, or the rectangle, I did not name it AB, and let these two be C and D. So area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 20.718 times 10 is equal to 207.18 centimeters square. Okay, or square centimeters. Now we have to get the area of the segment. For that, how to get the area of the segment? Always we get the area of the sector. From that, we subtract the area of the triangle to get the area of the segment because we do not have any formula related to the area of the segment. Okay. So, area of the sector AOB or OAB, anything, equal to half theta r square, which is equal to half theta was equal to 25 over 12. Okay. So 25 over 12 times r is 12. So it is 12 square. Clear? So I can cancel these two and I can cancel this as well. So this is equal to 25 times 6, which is equal to 150 centimeters square. Okay. And now area of the triangle. It is containing 7 marks. Triangle AOB is equal to, we do not know the height. So in case you want to use the formula half times base times height, we know the base indeed, but we do not know the height. We have to find the height for using that formula. So I'm using the trigonometric formula for the area of a triangle. So it will be half times AB sine theta. So it is half times 12 times 12 times sine, what is the angle? It is 25 over 12. Let me show you again. Theta is equal to 25 over 12. Okay. 25 over 12. And this should be equal to, for this I need the calculator, of course, 72 times sine of 25 over 12. It is 62.1538 I'm taking. Okay, 62.1538. 62.1538. I'm taking random number of decimal digits. Over here, I have taken up to 3 decimal digits. This is 4 decimal digits. I'm not following any rule anywhere. But I'm trying to take more than 3 significant figures. That is all that I am being careful about. Okay. So area of the sector is this, area of the triangle is this. Therefore, area of the segment, or should I be naming it over here if I name this as E, of the segment AB, ABA, this should be equal to area of the sector, that is this, minus area of the triangle, which is this one, 62.1538. And to that, I have to add the area of the rectangle. So for this, I think I can take up to 3 significant figures, or at least up to 2 decimal digits. Let's see. So I'm taking 150 minus this answer. It is 87.85 I'm taking. Okay, 87.85. So it is, or okay, 87.85. Fine. And therefore, area of cross section, of the cross section of the gutter is equal to area of the rectangle, that is 207.18 plus 87.85. This should be equal to 207.18. Let me verify. Yes, it is 207.18 plus the answer equal to 295.02, and all up to 3 significant figures, it will be 295. Okay. So this is 295 centimeters square, correct to 3 significant figures. In a storm, the total volume in centimeter cube of rainwater that enters the gutter can be modeled by a function R of t, where t is the time in seconds since the start of the storm. It was determined that the rate at which the rainwater entered the gutter could be modeled by R dash of t. Rate, so it is the change of volume, because the volume is given by this function R of t. So the rate of change of volume is R dash t, with time, of course, is 50 cos 2 pi t over 5 plus 3000, where t is greater than or equal to 0. During any 60-second period, if the volume of rainwater entering the gutter is greater than the volume of the gutter, it will overflow naturally. Part C's question is determine whether the gutter overflowed in the storm. Justify your answer. It is containing 5 marks. And we had found the area of the cross section of the gutter to be equal to 295 centimeters square. Correct to 3 significant figures, of course. So let us first of all find what is the volume of the gutter. Okay. So volume of the gutter equal to 295 times this 600, which is equal to 295 times 600, 177 followed by 3 zeros. 177,000 centimeter cube. Okay. And now we have to find the volume of water that is entering the gutter. Therefore, we have to integrate this because this is the derivative we need R of t. So we have to integrate. Okay. So R of t will be equal to the integration of, and what will be the limits? 60-second period. T is greater than or equal to 0. So, and t is in seconds. So I am taking the starting value of t is 0 and the ending value of t as 60. Okay. This should be equal to 50 cos 2 pi t over 5 plus 3000 dt. Okay. We are integrating, of course, with respect to t. So this is equal to, I can take out this 50. It is the coefficient and this is 0 to 60 cos 2 pi t over 5 dt plus this is 3000. So 0 to 60 dt. Okay. So this is equal to 50 and the integration of cos will be giving us sine 2 pi t over 5. So it is sine ax. So rather integration of cos ax. So it will be the 1 over a sine ax. Okay, this is the sine ax part, and now I have to write the 1 over a. And what is a? A is the coefficient of x. In this case, we don't have the x, but we are having the t. So the coefficient of t is 2 pi by 5. We have to take 1 over 2 pi by 5. So it is 5 over 2 pi. Okay. So 5 over 2 pi. And this entire thing is between 0 to 60. Of course, I'll be taking these numbers out again. Okay. So this is 3000 and the integration result will be giving us the t 0 to 60 and it is, let me take it over here, and 50 times 5 is 250, 250 over 2 pi. I'm taking this out and it is, first of all, I'll be substituting 60 in place of t. So it is sine 2 pi times 60 over 5 minus sine 2 pi times 0 over 5. Okay. Plus 3000, 60 minus 0. And this is 250 over 2 pi. I can keep or I can divide by 2. So it will be 125 over pi. And this is 12. So 2 times 12 is 24. 24 pi. Doesn't matter what is the multiple of pi. Any multiple, odd or even. doesn't matter, sign of n pi, n can be an even number, n can be an odd number, will be giving us a 0. Okay, so this is 0. And what is this? 2 pi minus times 0 is 0. Sine of 0 is 0. Okay, so this is 0 again. So this part doesn't give us anything. And 60 minus 0 is 60. So this is plus 6 times 3 is 18, followed by how many zeros? 4 zeros. 3 and 4. Okay. So which one is more? Obviously this one, right? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we are having 6 digits over here. Over here also we are having 6 digits. This is 180,000 and this is 177,000. So which one is more? Obviously 180,000 is more. So this is equal to 180,000, 18 followed by 4 zeros, centimeter cube. Okay. Since 18 is greater than 177,000, therefore the gutter will overflow. Will overflow. Let me write it over here. Okay. Thank you for staying with me till the end. I am Nilanjana Sanyal. I am an online IB Math ASL and HL level tutor, and I tutor students from both within India and outside India. And I offer both one-on-one and small group online tutoring services to my students. In case you're liking my explanations, please to give this video a like and please to share this video with your friends so that even they can get benefited by watching these videos. And in case you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will be motivating me to make more math videos for you. And in case you are having any query, any confusion, please feel free to write to me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. We'll be meeting very soon in our next session. We'll be solving the next question of the same paper. Till then, bye.